Good morning, everybody. I'm here off of Highway 2 in the Angeles Forest at Colby Canyon Trail Head. I'm about to climb to Strawberry Peak via the Mountaineers Route. It has a Class 2, Class 3 Scramble up at the top. I haven't done this route before. The weather has been raining for the past 2 days. It looks like I'm the only one here, so join me as I get up to Strawberry Peak and check it out. I haven't gone more than maybe 100 yards from the truck, and I already got this beautiful waterfall view. We're gonna keep on going. A lot of water today. Man. At least the sun is about to come over these hills. I've come up this ridge here, and then I've done about 4 switchbacks, and I'm about to get up to Josephine Saddle. But the views here are amazing. I just took about a 15-minute break, so I opted to go alone on this one. The Hebrew hammer separated his shoulder, so it's just the hiking chef today. It looks like I'm the only one on this trail so far too. There's got to be at least 8 switchbacks before you get to Josephine Saddle. On all trails, they kept saying to turn right at the saucer. I didn't know what they were talking about. I was picturing a rock, but no, they really meant saucer. I don't know what that's for. If you guys know, please leave a comment below. So far, the trail's been pretty good. I think I'm gonna keep going. I'm only about 2.25 miles in. I think I have about a mile left, or less than a mile. There's gonna be a lot of gain in elevation. There's Mount Lukens way over there, the farthest mountain ridge you can see, kind of poking out of the clouds there. Then back there you have Condor Peak. And I'm not sure about the other ones. It's about 9 o'clock, and I just passed Josephine Saddle. I'm just beginning the real nitty-gritty of the mountain here. We'll see how it gets. I don't see too much more snow, but if it keeps getting worse like this, yeah, this is for sure perfect for micro spikes. There it is, Strawberry Peak. Here to open up some new chapters in my life. The Mountaineering Route, baby. All right, this is the first climb here. And then we got Strawberry Peak over there. And we're just gonna traverse this ridge from this point. I have micro spikes, but it's just a little patch like this. It's not too bad. Not too much of a slide either. You could barely see the trail on this upper section. I don't know if it's just not traveled as much. All right, everybody, I'm at the last saddle right before Strawberry Peak. This is the Mountaineering Route. I got this last stretch to go here. All right, guys, I'll see you up there. Alright guys, I've just got a little bit more scrambling to do. Definitely way harder than I thought it was going to be. The snow really slowed me down on this ridge back here. This ridge was really tough. All the way down to the saucer. Took me like 2 hours just to get through there. It was bushwhacking. I think it said no access when I got up here, but on the maps, when I was on the ridge, it was saying no access on the trail, which means that they closed it, but I didn't get any alert before I went on the trail or anything when I did my beta. But I could see why it was closed, because the snow was way too deep and the bushwhacking was super tough. I highly recommend gaiters, snow chain, or not snow chains, but micro spikes. I have them, but I didn't really feel like I needed them. I was more just post holing the whole way. But yeah, I'm almost to the top, and I'll see you guys up there.